Which quadratic equation has roots of 4 and 1 over 2? Okay, here we have the two roots of a quadratic equation and we have to find the quadratic equation. When we know the two roots of a quadratic equation, there is a formula to get the quadratic equation. Let me write the formula. That is x square negative sum of the roots times x positive product of the roots equals to 0. So we can use this formula to get the quadratic equation. Here x square negative. Now to get the sum of the roots, we have to add the given two roots. That is 4 positive 1 over 2 times x positive. Now to get the product of the roots, we have to multiply the given two roots. That is 4 times 1 over 2 equals to 0. Here 2 goes into 2 one times and 2 goes into 4 2 times. Okay, x square negative. We have to add the integer 4 and the fraction 1 over 2. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between an integer and a fraction, the integer has to be multiplied by the denominator over here. Once I'm done with the multiplication, I can take this 2 as a common denominator. Let me do it. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we have 8 positive 1 over 2 times x positive. Here 2 times 1 is 2 equals to 0. Okay, x square negative. So when I simplify this one, I am getting 9 over 2 times x positive 2 equals to 0. Okay, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of the denominator 2 over here. Okay, let me multiply the stuff we have on the left side by 2 and the right side by 2. Okay, now we can distribute this 2 to this x square, this one and this one. Then I'm getting 2x square negative 2 times 9x over 2 and 2 times positive 2 is positive 4 and the right side 2 times 0 is 0. Here this 2 will cancel out. I am getting 2x square negative 9x positive 4 equals to 0. Here I got the quadratic equation which has the two roots 4 and 1 over 2. I find this quadratic equation in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.